Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Economist app review to see with what you're doing. So in this video, I'm going to break down the app review, the in-app review about Economist. So to get started, the Economist app delivers a well-researched global news, deep analysis, and a long-form journalism covering politics, economics, business and science, and culture. It includes the full weekly edition, daily briefing, and audio version of articles, perfect for users who prefer to listen on the go. The interface is minimal and published, and the user can save articles for offline reading or customize content based on their interest. However, like the publication itself, the app leans more towards thoughtful analysis than breaking news, so it is not ideal for real-time update. The subscription price is also quite high, which may turn off casual readers. And here's the very conclusion about this platform. The app simply worth it if you value in-depth global reporting and intellectual takes on current affairs, but not the best choice for quick news or budgeting users. And that's it.